Are you prepared to serve and support Ghana's health sector? Welcome, Ghanaian health professionals. The Ministry of Health has launched a new recruitment portal to streamline the posting application process nationwide. This tutorial will guide you through the steps, beginning with how to check your application clearance status. Let's begin. To check your application clearance status, open any web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in verify.mohrecruitment.com. I repeat, verify.mohrecruitment.com. Press search or enter on the keyboard. The Ministry of Health Recruitment Portal will load on your screen. On this page, you will find a form on the right side titled Check Your Status. This is where you will verify your application standing with your council. In this field provided, enter your PIN or professional number. Then, click the green button that reads Check Status. Once submitted, the portal will display your status details page. Here, you will see your full name, status, index number, and profession. If your status reads cleared in green, it means you are eligible and cleared to proceed with your application when the application process begins. If you need to check another record, simply click the Check Another button at the bottom of the page. However, if this message reads your personal data is not available, please contact your regulator in red. It means your record has not yet been cleared by your regulator. In this case, you will need to contact your sectoral regulatory council, such as the Nursing and Midwifery Council, Medical and Dental Council, or the relevant council for your profession. When your council updates your record, you can return to the portal and check your clearance status again. I wish you the very best of luck.